Good day, Math 9s. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use these great algebra tiles from mathclips.ca. So the first thing you're going to want to do is they're going to give you a choice of tiles. Obviously you want to choose these ones because they're the ones that look like the ones we're using. Okay, I guess it won't let me choose that because it's already chosen. Okay, and I just want to go over how we can do a couple of these questions just on collecting like terms. So here we've got 2x plus 3 plus x plus 5. So 2x, one thing I did should show you guys is I changed this down here to 5.6 just so the tiles look more like the ones we're used to using. Okay, so I'm going to pull this guy out here, and so that's obviously 1x, 1 green french fry. If I want 2, I can just hit this button. Now I have 2. Okay, and then that's plus 3. So there's 1, 2, 3, plus x, and then plus 5. Perfect. And now I want to collect like terms here, so I'm going to throw all of the x's together. And I'm going to throw all of the 1's together. Notice when I click on all these and they all turn purple, I can move them all together, which is pretty handy. And so now we've got 3 x's and 8 1's. So if I were to simplify this, I would get 3x plus 8. Done. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. They didn't actually let me use squared when I typed this stuff in, so I had to use my mouse to draw in little 2's here for squared. So we're starting out on this one with an x squared. So that's a big blue. And then I've got 2 x's. Oops, is that going to let me? Okay, apparently that's not the easy way to do that. Okay, so there's my 2 x's. Minus 3, so that means we're going to have negative 3. So I'm going to change that to negative, and then make 2 more of them. And then I've got negative 2x squared. So there's an x squared, make it negative, and then copy it. There's my negative 2x squared plus 4. Oops, I don't want that negative, but I do want 3 more of them. So there's my plus 4, and then minus x. There we go, minus x. All right, so let's collect like terms here. So first thing I'm going to do is bring this minus x, or negative x, up there with the positive x. And negative x and positive x is 0. So I'm going to highlight both of those and chuck them in the bin because they equal 0. I've also got x squared and negative x squared. That equals 0. So I'm going to chuck those in the bin. And I've got negative 3 and positive 3. Also equals 0. So grab that into the garbage. So what am I left with? This, this, and this. And I don't know if we've talked about this yet, but you should always order your polynomials in order of decreasing degree. So this one is an x squared, it's degree 2. This is an x, degree 1. This is just a number, so it's degree 0. So we should say our answer is x squared. I'm going to leave a space to put the squared in there. Oh, sorry, that's negative x squared. So it should be negative, leave a space for the squared, plus x plus 1. This is going to be my answer. Now I'll just grab the pen and draw on the squared because it won't let me do a squared on here. There we go. So I love these algebra tiles on mathclips.ca. They do exactly everything I want you guys to do with regular tiles, but in the virtual realm. So yeah, hopefully you guys make good use of those.